How to close ULTA card. First up, make sure you have all your account information ready. You'll need your account number and any details to verify your identity. Next, give the ULTA Beauty Credit Card customer service line a call. If it's the ULTA store-only card or the ULTA MasterCard, both are managed by Community Capital Bank. The number is right here.
Once you're connected, tell the representative that you want to close your account. They might ask a few questions to confirm your identity and make sure everything's squared away. If you have a remaining balance, you'll need to pay it off before the account can be officially closed. Make sure that's all taken care of so there's no delay in processing. After everything's done, ask for a written confirmation. This way, you'll have proof that your account is officially closed. Finally, keep an eye on your credit report over the next few months. This will make sure the account shows up as closed and doesn't impact your credit unexpectedly. And that's it. Thanks for watching.